Hi everyone, I just ordered this pair of heated gloves and I'm very excited to try them on. Two pairs of gloves, the right one and the left one, and it does have different buttons for the different types of heating. It comes with the charger, super easy. It comes with the cable, and then even better because it does come with the bots for you to just plug into an outlet. It also comes with the two batteries that we're going to put inside the gloves. So the batteries look like this. And then all we have to do is just put them inside. It comes with the cable, and all we need to do is just plug it in. It's already charged, but it's super easy to charge. You just connect the charger there. And because it does have a very discreet zipper, you just push it in. You can adjust your wrist. I ski a lot, so I think it'll be great because I get cold very easily. But all I need to do is just turn it on, push on the button, leave it, you hold it for about 30 seconds, and it starts warming up all over the hand. And you can select a different temperature, whether you want it just a little bit hot or, a little bit cooler. But I think it's the best investment I've made.